What's up, everybody? This is Black Eagle or Amtrak Max 05 Bill, and today, as you can see, we're going to be doing a Minecraft video today, or I mean, train simulator video today. As you can see. Sorry about that. No, I will not be doing that. And we're going to be doing the American Midwest. And the train we will be driving today will be, we will be doing the, what's it called, WAP7. That's what the train will be doing today. And we're going to be going at a higher speed. And let's hear the horn. Now let's hear the bell. Yeah. It sounds like it sounds like a train that would be in America. An American train, kind of, you know? It sounds like a train that would go through America, like, you know. And we are not gonna make it go. We're gonna make it now. We're now gonna make it go full speed. Now let's go. Now let's change the cars on it. Wait a second. We'll change the cars on the train now. Alright, we are now driving the train. We are right now in the cockpit of the train. And we are now getting ready for landing. Not landing. We are now stopping. The train is. Now, let's see what the train looks like with another engine on it. Okay. Well, we hope you liked the video today and subscribe. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe, make nice comments, and we're doing free giveaways for $300 billion in GTA 5 money. No joke. You just subscribe to my channel and then leave a nice comment and like the video. You get all that stuff. Free mods, everything. We'll get you money. We will get you money and stuff in GTA 5. We hope you like the video and subscribe.